Hey guys, Sarah and Bronx here, and other crazy dogs of mine. Today we are going to be doing our Fabfitfun unboxing. If you didn't know, Fabfitfun is a seasonal box, so you get it in the seasons of summer, spring, fall, winter. Bronx loves seasons. And it's $49.99 per season. You can get a discount if you do an annual membership, which is what I have went ahead and done. And then you can also customize some of your products. If you're an annual member, you can customize more products. So everyone could have, different boxes. So that's one of the cool things, is that you are able to pick some things. And then you also have access to add-ons. I did get a couple add-ons this time. I think I got 4. If you want to see those in a separate video, just let me know down below. It's only 4 things, but I don't want to put on this because there's already so much stuff in here that these videos tend to be a little bit longer. So yeah, you get 8 to 10 products, and let's just go ahead and open it up and see what we got. Okay, so when you open it up, it looks like this. This box is giant this month. So it always comes with this little magazine on it. And then inside, I think the magazine will tell you, so yeah, there's pages in here that will tell you what is in the box, and then what options you had, what options annual members had, all that stuff. So I don't remember what I picked. It's been quite a while since I picked my stuff. I will also link a code down below to get $10 off, and then if you want, you can use my link as well. So that would be awesome if you did that. If not, I am okay with that too. And then let's see, there's also an advertisement for Luna bars. Enjoy $3 off 1 box of Luna. Use discount code 3LunaFFF. So if you're interested in that, I personally love Luna bars. Oh, interesting. Okay, so actually the first thing I'm seeing is a Luna bar. So this is salted caramel nut. I'm not a huge caramel person, but I will definitely try this. It's cashew butter filled fruit and nut bar. The second thing I'm gonna pull out of here is a beauty blender. I have never actually tried a beauty blender, so that's interesting. Everyone will get a beauty blender. I actually use the Morphe blender because it's a lot cheaper than a beauty blender, and it works pretty good. So let's go ahead and just take this out and see how it feels. It feels really, really nice. It feels, I will say there are cheap beauty blenders, like the knockoff ones that are not good. They do not, once you try the real thing, you're like, whoa, this is much better. So yeah, it's like a medium-sized one. I think this is smaller than normal, but I could be wrong. So yeah, definitely excited to try this out. So another thing that everyone will be getting is Skin&Co Roma Blue and Capri. So this is a shower gel. It is cruelty free. I'm trying to see. So it's a shower gel with notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom. And this is a limited edition one. I definitely smell the basil in this a lot. I feel like this would be a good unisex shower gel, you or your man could use it, so that's awesome. I'm just seeing something on here. It says limited edition number 7, so I'm wondering if this is made by the people who make that Boots number 7. That's interesting. I'm not sure what that means. Okay, so it says you can use shower gel or as a bubble bath, so I will definitely try that out. I do like the way it smells. It smells nice and fresh. Okay, the next thing everyone is getting are these tea towels by Simply Whimsical. So they're just like gray, hand towels for your kitchen that have a gray chevron kind of pattern. They're homemade pretty towel. That's interesting. I've never gotten anything like this in a Fabfitfun box, so that's kind of cool. I like that it's not just all the same kind of thing. This is something I've never gotten in any box, so I'm definitely excited for that. I like that they're a neutral color that can go with most, themes or colors in a kitchen, so that's cool. So the last thing that everybody gets are these Glamglow Bubblesheet masks. So these are Oxygenating Deep Cleanse Mask. So it looks like it's for, I want to say for pores. Invigorates, detoxifies, and removes face makeup. Use once a week. So interesting. I'm not going to use these Glamglow tests on animals. So these are not my cup of tea, so I will go ahead and throw these into a future giveaway. Okay, so then the next thing is you had a choice between a tote bag or this, and this is the crown brushes. I chose the crown brushes. So it's just these brushes that come in this little case. It's a set of 6 brushes. I just always like having lots of brushes, so versus a purse, I use like the same purse for a really long time. I'm not super picky about that, but brushes I use and clean and change out daily. So that's why I chose this. The next thing, it was the choice between a teapot or a French press. I went with the French press. I'm not sure I'm gonna actually use this. I'm not a coffee snob per se. I mean, I don't even know how to use this. I've never made coffee in a French press. This is by the brand Alfred. So it's a plastic, oh, I really like so on the front there it says, but first coffee. That's really cute. This is really cute. Even if you don't make coffee in this, it's kind of cute just as like decorative in your kitchen. So that's why I chose this, just because the teapot was like, I can show you a picture what the teapot looked like. It just wasn't my motif. But right there, that's what the teapot looked like. So that's why I didn't choose that. Okay, so the next thing, you had a choice between an umbrella or some wireless earbuds. These are by the brand Cobra. And they're just earbuds in black or white. I think I chose white. I don't really use earbuds a ton just because my ear holes are tiny and earbuds don't really fit into them. So I'm not sure if I'm going to use these or give them to a friend. But yeah, I mean, I feel like everyone, you can't have too many of these, like that you go through them so fast. So I've never tried this brand of earbud. I'm not like a tech person, so I don't know. But I picked these. So I live in Arizona. We get rain like 3 months a year. I have umbrellas. I didn't really need an umbrella, so that's why I didn't pick that. Okay. Then select members, which is the annual subscribers, we had a choice between Pharmacy Eye Cream, Guccio Somatology Yoga Detox Bath, or this Metallist Liquid Foil Lipstick Duo in Penny. I actually don't think I'm going to use this. I didn't know about the color, but I'm definitely not going to wear like a copper lip color. So this I'll probably just go ahead and toss into a giveaway. I'm not sure if it's cruelty free either, but so there's that. Just a liquid lip. The last thing that select members had a choice between was, it was all from this Grown Alchemist brand, which I've never heard of or tried, but it is cruelty free, vegan, organic, all that stuff. It was a polishing facial exfoliant, a Hydra-Repair day cream, or a Hydra-Restore cream cleanser. And I chose the cleanser. I'm kind of already loving a particular like moisturizer and exfoliant, so I thought I would try a skin cleanser. That's why I picked this. So I really like the packaging. Quickly, let's go over the values of everything. So the value of this skin cream was $49. The value of the lipstick duo was $24.99. The earbuds were valued at $40. The French press right here, that's $22 value. Okay, the crown brushes in this case, those are a $75 value. The Luna bar does not have a value. It's just kind of like a freebie, like a sponsored. Luna wanted to be on this box, so you'd be like, oh, try Luna. So this is just a freebie, no value to this. But Luna bars are like $6 a box, so maybe like $1 value. There's like 5 in there. The Glamglow masks are valued at $18. That is pricey masks, but I know a lot of people love Glamglow, so it's probably worth it. The tea towels, these are valued at $14.99. The shower gel, this is valued at $22. And then the little beauty blender is valued at $20. So FabFitFun always says that their values are over $300, I believe, is the value they go for. No, $200. So they're always over $200, and this is definitely over $200. So that's exciting. I definitely love FabFitFun. It's probably my favorite box, just because you get such a wide variety of stuff that you can use, you can gift. Like if you gifted somebody this, nobody's gonna be like, oh, you got that for free in a beauty box. Like, that's really nice, you know? So I really like this box a lot. It's definitely worth the $50. If you do want to sign up for this, like I said earlier, there will be a code down below to get $10 off your first box, and you can use my link if you are into that. But yeah, that's all I have for this video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxing, more sleeping dogs in the background, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.